A newly surfaced leak suggests that Samsung's upcoming Z Fold May 7th become the slimmest foldable smartphone globally upon launch, though it appears battery upgrades won't accompany this design refinement. A fresh post from well-known tipster Ice Universe reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold7 could lead the foldable market in thinness, reportedly just 3.9 millimeters when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters folded, packing a 4,400 mAh battery. If accurate, this ultra-slim profile may help Samsung reclaim attention in the foldable segment, where it's recently lagged behind. For reference, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 12.2 millimeters folded and 5.6 millimeters unfolded, while currently the slimmest on the market. By pushing boundaries with a thinner build, Samsung might differentiate itself, even if retaining a 4,400 mAh battery poses a noticeable drawback. The Z Fold 6 also features a 4,400 mAh cell, indicating Samsung isn't planning to boost battery capacity. This aligns with earlier documents hinting Samsung is prioritizing design over battery expansion. However, keeping the Z Fold 7 at 4,400 mAh is underwhelming, especially compared to Oppo's Find N5, which uses denser silicon-carbon batteries to offer 5,600 mAh. Is sticking to the same battery capacity an issue? Generally, retaining battery size isn't a major concern, but new rumors about a larger display on the Z Fold 7 might change that narrative. What's puzzling is that while Samsung keeps the Z Fold 7's battery unchanged, the Z Flip May 7 jumped to 4,300 mAh from the Z Flip SIX's 4,000 mAh cell. Samsung's commitment to an ultra-thin foldable by sacrificing battery life might pay off, but only hands-on testing will tell. Fortunately, the wait may be short as both devices are expected to debut at the Galaxy Unpacked event this July. Another leak points to a dramatically slim Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Galaxy leaker Anthony, the foldable could measure just 8.2 millimeters thick when folded. That's a full 4 millimeters thinner than the Z Fold 6 and nearly half the thickness of the original 2019 Galaxy Fold. Anthony didn't specify the unfolded thickness, but it's estimated to be around 4.1 millimeters, barely thinner than the unfolded Find N5, which is often compared to a USB-C plug-in size. If the Z Fold 7 surpasses that, it would be a design milestone. However, foldables may be nearing a limit, as it's hard to build thinner than a charging port, unless the port is removed, which seems unlikely anytime soon. The question is whether Samsung can truly hit these specs with the Z Fold 7. Earlier leaks suggested it would be about 9 millimeters thick folded and 4.5 millimeters unfolded, still a dramatic reduction from the Z Fold 6 and quite plausible. There's been an influx of reports surrounding the Z Fold 7 lately. It's believed to borrow from Samsung's limited edition Z Fold model featuring a larger 8-inch inner screen, 6.5-inch cover display, and a 200 MP primary sensor, a first for a Z Fold. Other enhancements may include a more refined under-display camera, stronger build quality, reinforced folding mechanism, and a significantly reduced screen crease compared to past foldables. Additionally, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite and One UI 8 are expected, superseding the relatively recent One UI 7. On the release front, current leaks point to an early July launch window, meaning official details aren't far off. As for One UI 7, its rollout has been rocky. The software was delayed and isn't expected to hit devices outside the Galaxy S25 series until later this week. Luckily, One UI May 8 avoids similar issues, launching with the next-gen foldables. While backward compatibility remains unclear, credible leaks say the Z Fold 7 will ship with One UI 8. That's a quick turnaround given past software hurdles, though it lines up with Android 16's early release schedule. Google is reportedly pushing Android 16 out by late May or June, and the beta's platform stability supports that timeline. We'll likely get clarity during Google I/O on May 20th. With that in mind, One UI 8's early launch appears imminent, softening the impact of One UI 7's delay. It's uncertain when One UI 8 will expand to older models after the Z Fold 7 launches, but hopes are high for a quick rollout. Meanwhile, Major leaks surrounding Samsung's next foldables hint at big changes for the Z Fold7. Last month, Korean outlet ET News reported that the device may drop the S Pen digitizer, which enables stylus support on foldable screens. This aligns with Samsung's goal of delivering a thinner profile. Recently, trusted leakers Jucanis Reef and the AL echoed this, stating there's a strong chance the digitizer won't make the cut. If true, users might have to charge their S Pen accessories separately going forward. Samsung trialed this last year with its super thin Z Fold limited edition, which omitted the digitizer and, by extension, S Pen support. Should the Z Fold7 follow suit, Samsung would need to provide alternative stylus solutions. Leaks also spotlight Samsung's Tri-Fold device, expected to enter mass production in Q2 and launch in Q3 alongside other foldables. This supports earlier reports suggesting a triple fold debut in 2025. The display could range between 9.9 and 10 inches when open, offering a true tablet experience. While the Z Fold7 has dominated headlines, Samsung reportedly plans to reduce foldable production by up to 40%, likely due to the Z Fold 6's underwhelming sales. For the models that do make it to market, leaks suggest the display will closely resemble the Z Fold 6's super dynamic AMOLED panel. Removing the S Pen is a letdown for longtime fans, especially as it will require new solutions for stylus usage and charging. Still, shrinking the fold could address a key criticism, its bulky form factor. Meanwhile, Apple is also eyeing the foldable segment, with speculation pointing to a 2026 or 2027 launch. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman claims Apple's foldable iPhone will offer meaningful improvements over rivals, especially in terms of crease visibility and hinge mechanics. One notable advancement could be a near-invisible crease when open, along with a robust liquid metal hinge made from metallic glass. While Samsung has made yearly hinge improvements, its screen crease remains visible. This year's Z Fold May 7th finally changed that, as Samsung Display is rumored to have solved the issue, though whether it debuts now or later remains uncertain. Gurman also believes the foldable iPhone will be a premium model, not a side experiment. This echoes predictions from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who expects the foldable iPhone to launch with a 7.8-inch main display, a 5.5-inch cover screen, dual rear cameras, and a Touch ID-enabled power button, eschewing Face ID. The device is projected to measure 4.5 mm unfolded and 9 to 9.5 mm folded, matching the Z Fold7's rumored specs. However, development delays may push Apple's foldable iPhone to 2027. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.